This is the multiplying two polynomials worksheet, homework help video. Okay, on the last assignment, 7-3, what I did is I actually did step 1 for all the problems, all the odd number problems. And then I solved from there. Okay, I'm not going to do that this time. This time I'm going to go through one problem at a time, okay? But I emphasized in the last video that it's the same process every single time. Okay, this time I'm just going to do each problem as I come to it. Okay, so I need to split the first term, x, and then minus 6. Not first term, it's actually a binomial made out of two terms right there, x and minus 6. Then I write the second binomial twice, x plus 5 in parentheses, x plus 5 in parentheses. I distribute here, and I distribute here and here. Two different distribute parts. X times x, x squared, x times 5, 5x. That's that part. Now this one, negative 6 times x, negative 6x. Negative 6 times 5 is negative 30. Notice the middle two terms are like terms. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. So my final answer is x squared minus x minus 30. If you want to write the little 1 here, you can. But typically we leave that invisible. All right, number 3. I'm going to split the first binomial into 2, and I'm going to write the second one twice. I do my distribution here, and here. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Notice those middle terms combine. This is a special case. These middle terms actually cancel out. They go away because 10 minus 10 is 0. It's gone. You'll notice that in the future. If you have the exact same looking binomials, but one's a positive and one's a negative, the middle terms will cancel out. Now, if you don't catch that and you just do the process, you're going to see it cancel out anyway. But if you want to get a little faster, just learn to recognize that special case. Okay, we're going to write our answer, 4x squared minus 25. Number 5, 4x plus 3 quantity squared. All that little thing means is it's the same thing twice. I'm just going to write it out twice so I can look at it in the same manner as the other problems. I'm going to split my first one. I'm going to write the second one twice. Now I show my distribution if I want to, so I don't forget any distributing. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times 3 is 12x. 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, this one's kind of a special case as well because you end up getting the same two terms in the middle. It's like the same thing twice. So I end up with 16x squared. The difference is these don't cancel. They're actually the same sign. So I get 24x plus 9. 16x squared plus 24x plus 9. Check out number 7. That's going to be one of those that has the same term in the middle too. They're not going to cancel because the signs are the same, not opposite. I'm going to write my x minus 12 again so it looks like the other problems. Split this x minus 12 and then write this one twice. Oops, my mistake. X minus 12. A little messy there. Now distribute. X times x, x squared. X times minus 12, minus 12x. Here again, minus 12 times x gives me minus 12x. There you see the same two things in the middle, just like we did up here. They don't cancel, like I said, because these signs in the original problem are not different signs, they're the same signs. And then lastly, negative 12 times negative 12 is positive 144. Our answer, x squared minus 24x plus 144. Number 9, 2x plus 7 quantity squared. Another special case. Are you starting to see the pattern? Let's take a look at it. We have what you do here, you have 16x when you do 4 times 3 and get 12, you're going to have 2 of those. So here, 2 times 7 is 14. I'm going to have 2 of those. Okay, so you can kind of guesstimate, or you can predict the middle term. It's going to be 14 plus 14. But let's go ahead and work it out. We're going to write it again. Okay, now I'm going to do my splitting. Okay, let's do the distribution. Here, 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 here. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x times 7, 14x. That's what I predicted. Again, 7 times 2x, 14x. That's what I predicted. Okay? If you get good at making that prediction, it saves you a little work. But don't feel pressure that you have to do it. The most important thing is getting it right. 7 times 7 is 49. Lastly, I combine my stuff right here. I have 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. 11. We have not the same two things. This is not a special case. So there's no possible shortcuts here. But except the fact that the more you do this, the more you're able to do it, easier and faster. But let's go ahead and just do the process. 3x plus 1. Written twice. I split my 2x and my 1. I wrote my second binomial, 3x plus 1, twice. I'm going to have to distribute here and here. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 1 times 3x is 3x. 1 times 1 is 1. The middle terms again go together. 6x squared plus 5x, remember you're adding these, not multiplying, plus 1. Let's see if we have time for 13. The length of a square rug is 8x minus 5 feet. It's squares, that means all the sides are the same. I'm going to try to make it look like they're the same. The length is 8x minus 5. That means all the sides are 8x minus 5. How do you find the area? Easy, 8x minus 5 times 8x minus 5, okay? You would set that up. I'll set it up for you, then you can solve it on your own. I'm going to write the first one twice. Split it, 8x here, minus 5 here. Write the second one twice. All you have to do is distribute it, combine your like terms, and you have it. Okay? Let us know if you have any more questions.